Welcome back to our City Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, Start Times channel 195. And as we do every Friday, every of the Ogbonge Tori when we discuss for this week, now we go carry come. Through our phone lines open so that everybody go chook mouth for the matter. The stories when we say stand out for this week now as it get to do with the economy and security matter. On Monday, we've been discuss all the things will happen for the weekend. Can they give praise to God? It will turn spiritual that Monday. Sake of say the bad work of Boko Haram Jaguda people, the thing no work as they go plant bomb for some kind of places, but the thing no go off. And on Tuesday also, our Oga Presido, he exercising power as President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces as he take put new service chiefs, that is Oga of Security people for the matter. On Wednesday, national leader of the APC carry visit go meet our Oga Presido, and people they believe say, okay, that visit, two of them on top of the same page, and that to move our country forward. And yesterday, our before Presido Chief Olusegun Obasanjo been talk about corruption, and we can look say if corruption don't get 6 packs inside our country, it is very, very important. Make we take our time, make we not rush, so that we not go fall back into the mistake when we make for the past. Nkubi, now back to you. Now they scratch your baby. You know, I know they see as you do like I know they fear you. You know, if they come here, they do like say your eye feel light something. You feel use as your eye they shine. You use an on stove. I know they fear you.
See, okay, fine. I'm not gonna use my threatening voice to talk to you. I will take and say anytime while they talk here, they listen, and that they try address issues of national interest to Nigerians. No ever, with not talk, no ever make the mistake of breaking in and telling me what to go for a break. You need to allow me express myself.
Okay, we go take this call from CHILE, from Bonny. You think say now only you get thick voice, you go hear my own. Oga CHILE, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga CHILE.
Good morning, Oga CHILE, and happy Salah.
Baraka de Salah.
Baraka de Salah.
Yeah, see, my brother, APC promised us change. And so, if they are not appointing ministers when they are supposed to do, it is still change. We should be glad that they are not appointing.
Why should we be glad?
Hello?
Why should we be glad that they never appoint?
It is still change. Is it not change that we are looking for? We are changing from doing what is right and doing what is not right now. So it is still change. So, yeah, as you know, the excuse now is always people that feel they know are now telling us that they are taking their time, they are taking enough time before they will do, so that they will not make mistake. And they will continue doing that until maybe the next 4 years. They will continue to be telling us that they don't want to make any mistake. And so it is still change. Let us still accept that. But where I still want to keep my mouth is on corruption that we discussed yesterday. Mm-hmm. I still maintain that our judiciary, something needs to be done about our judiciary if we are going to succeed in fighting corruption. I think you are seeing that as those people that they said they should be kept somewhere until a certain date, they have all been released. Mm-hmm. Nyako is now resting in his house. Mm-hmm. Lamido and his sons are now resting in their house, and so on and so forth. That is how the next one you will hear that they have been discharged and acquitted. No problem. And so that is still the change. We should do something about our judiciary if we want to fight corruption. And that is the only way corruption will be stemmed out of this country. Because for now, the judiciary is that is the problem of Nigeria as far as corruption is concerned. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga CHILE.
You don't talk very, very important one. But then again, remember, so many people talk and say when we talk of change, we get positive and we get negative. But we won't believe, say yes.
Now the positive one with the anticipate.
Don't conclude with him. I want to
talk. Now the positive change with the anticipate.
Allow me finish my talk. No, they conclude with I want to talk.
Edwin is calling us from Port Harcourt. Good morning, Edwin. No talk. Look, no just. Good morning, Edwin. Edwin, you there? Hello, Edwin. Good morning.
You see him? You see
am waiting.
Wetin be you see am?
Wetin be you see am?
Why you gonna use voice when thick? They follow.
Edwin no be man.
Edwin.
Na woman.
You know whether na Edwin na.
If na woman na I go need to approach am.
You know whether na Edwin na. If na woman
na wetin you see, they know Edwin you see.
If Edwin na his surname nko. If na woman
enter why you
nko.
talk. No don't just dey cut into my talk.
Why you go? I'm correcting you.
You're not correcting me. What are you correcting me?
I'm correcting you.
Don't correct me. Don't give me that kind of correction. I don't want it. I don't want it. No, can't take your own past government. Can't they take the new government who we don't enter into?
Which one be new government?
We're in the process of change. Let's just embrace change.
Which process of change? Not even going
change. As they talk, change has two ways. You get either negative or positive.
Thank you.
For me, I believe the change way Nigerians anticipate, the change way don't come into government, in as much as say yes, say then get small issue.
No be issue could be no ever say a small issue.
I say a small issue. Small
Each people when they APC
issue for house,
when they represent for the house, begin they trouble, they fight themselves.
How to at least define what they want.
Nkubi to tear Agbada and to fight na small issue. For house, for National Assembly.
That is still part of the reason why they say they get
small issue
wardrobe allowance. So by the time they say that Agbada finish, they will feel replace that because they fight when they fight, they are fighting for our cause.
To the tear Agbada, make we take Victor.
They are fighting for our cause. That's why we have wardrobe allowance. So we feel replace that.
And we come back to you, Oga Victor from Zamfara.
Good morning, Oga Victor.
Salam alaikum.
Yes.
Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Same to you.
Baraka de Salah.
We wish you the same.
I beg, make sure no punch blow because today own hot well.
Oh.
But I will start from disagreeing with my brother Joseph where paint Obasanjo as paint. Obasanjo, in fact, most of the problem we will get for Nigeria today, no Obasanjo cause them. You know, say you get time where Fela sing one song. He talk about ITT. He talk about everything. He say if Obasanjo say he be lie, make it carry and go court, make it open book for him. That is one of the genesis of corruption in Nigeria. Did anybody prosecute Fela? Anybody carry and go court?
Not at all.
All the things we talk, no be true. How Obasanjo will come now, come they claim send. Some people they clap for them saying the truth. Huh? In fact, this country we need to be holistic in anything what they do. Make we carry truth, confess. No be to carry sentiments, join them. Yeah? See, the problem where we did for Nigeria today, until we begin to tell ourselves true, say, not be saying that this one is my brother or this one is my person. We begin to tell ourselves true. We know we come up from this mess all day.
True.
Anybody where they accuse Jonathan, make the person get a mouth. But now the people we institute who Obasanjo include, the problem where Jonathan gets for even all the people where I carry merit in government, now people who Obasanjo put there. And one day, we go see the one will be true and the one will be lie. I think you don't understand me.
Yes, Oga Victor.
As they talk, make those where they fight for wardrobe allowance. Well, as my brother Chile talk, now the change we voted for. Now the change we will see.
Thank you very much, Oga Victor, for your contribution. Thank you very much, and continue to watch them as they hot. And also tell people the Zamfara, make they do it, make they also they follow you, they watch them. Great. Today is a great day, and that is why I want to collect this call from Great from Delta. Good morning, Great. Great, good morning.
Call the name with respect. Great. Why you don't say great? You know you hear the name Great from Delta State.
Great,
they say
good morning.
Great.
Great, you did there.
You see him? Why you go there? Great. Why you don't call the name Great? We call it person name like Great. Why you don't call it Great? You go begin to the respect this our callers.
They send you to me.
See your name say Victor from Zamfara. He don't talk true. He talk true. Abi he not talk true. He talk true. Abi he not talk true. Now the major problem we always get for this our country.
Say we agree.
Nobody want to admit.
Today we will not go do anything based on the fact that we celebrate Ramadan. I mean we celebrate still we don't end fasting. Then send you to me.
No be your, no, see, let me tell you the truth.
Don't tell me any truth. I don't want to listen to your truth. What truth are you telling me?
Why will I not tell you
you ever tell me truth for your life before?
All the truth when I talk about all this show, not be true.
Even you would say right now, that's about time when you want to mention the truth. Say, you just stutter. The truth they even had you to talk. Mention truth. Say truth.
Nkubi, tell Nigerians say before this show start, you know, beg me say make I no talk some kind things.
Me
talk am.
Nkubi beg you.
Tell Nigerians.
Beg on what ground?
Say make I no talk some kind things. Say because if we talk am, hey,
Chukwudi,
breeze go blow.
Chukwudi,
everything go open.
That thing where you want to talk, go ahead, talk am.
When time don already go.
Talk.
When time don already go, now you want me to talk am. This thing when I go talk from the start, you be tell me say make I no talk am. Say if we talk am, e go be like say the thing too hot. You talk am abi you no talk am.
Chukwudi, I say I don't give you the license. Me I know say I no talk anything. I don't give you the license to talk am now. Talk am.
Make we take Raymond.
Talk am before we collect that call from Raymond.
Which one be make?
Talk am.
I go take Raymond from Sokoto. Do your worst. Oga Raymond, good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
See the voice when I use greater. Good morning,
Oga Raymond.
Excuse me,
Good
it's my
morning,
greet.
Chukwudi. Good morning, Tori.
Good morning, Oga Raymond.
Thank you very much. Please, at least if they won't talk about corruption, no, a person like Obasanjo supposed to even talk about the corruption. Because the corruption during his tenure past, it don't rot in Nigeria. How much during Obasanjo when they government, how much would they buy SIM card of MCN? That corruption, we know they talk about them. And Oga Presido, make you understand, say, with that, saying don't get people employed. Unemployment, they cut security, and it's delaying to the waste time way they do to elect his ministers. At least only him cannot rule this country. He needs helping hand from other parastatals, from other ministries, when they give a situation report. Only him cannot be there, go there Borno, go there Sokoto, go there Cross River, go there Delta. At least if he have people when they give a report, this is where this is happening, he go know what to they do. So I beg, make it let unemployment, now they call that security where we get for Nigeria. If he can employ people and forget about all this APC thing, bringing their own idea. Wait, I like him because our speaker from House of Rep, don't tell him. Don't tell the APC chairman. Say this one, he wants made the leadership affect all parts of the country. And that's what we want as a democratic country. So I beg, we want Oga Presido, make it look first, unemployment, make it great job. That thing will help settle issue of this insecurity. Because if somebody no get job, if he get job, he no go commit crime. At least say if one or two person, all the graduates in Nigeria, they don't get employed. Now you go see this security problem go less for this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Raymond.
Thank you very much, Oga Raymond, all the way from Sokoto. You don't talk because even our vice president, Professor Yemi Oshiba Joseph Tokan, say 110 million Nigerians, now estimate they live on top of say poverty matter, and the government go try their best to ensure say they comot poverty for this our country, so that people no go look say okay, well, I don't get anything to live for, but I need to survive. May I go do bad thing? We go take this call from Oga Pius. We dey go from Sokoto to Abuja. Good morning, Oga Pius.
Oga Pius, good morning.
Good morning, Oga.
Oga Pius, this one where your boys dey down like this. You suppose have been today na salary.
Good morning.
Good morning. I enjoy that program very well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
The program is sleeping very well. Don't think when I want to reach you people, but you know easy.
I beg, Oga Pius.
Everything happen for this country. You know easy. See, APC just come now. It's not going to be very easy for them. Just as we talk during that election time, already see the thing. Not because he be. You understand? You know, as he come, they still give him more time so that he will fit in work. And for this Boko Haram thing, this Jagda people, right, my own main problem, and I'm waiting supposed to work on it with that. So that these people will come away country will settle. Because with this their problem, not when everybody is doing. They still scatter the nation more and more. So that's my own contribution. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Pius from Abuja. Thank you very much. And we'll still collect more calls. Chukwudi, based on waiting you they try tell me, the issue is this.
Speaking for Nigerians, speaking for justice, speaking for equity, speaking for fairness, always speaking the truth. Underline that one, the truth. Underline that, the truth.
Let me get the floor.
Okay. Collect the floor. collect the floor, collect table, collect chair. Give me the truth. Collect table, collect chair, collect tab, collect newspaper. Give me the truth. You don't see, e dey for Bible somewhere. One of the book when maybe between Matthew and John, they talk say silver and gold. You understand? I have say something about say you know get silver and gold, but wetin I get I will give to you. The only thing when I get out of this show and they tell Nigerians na the truth. You have the floor, take the floor. You have the chair, take the chair. You have the table, take the table. Take everything, but give me the truth to tell Nigerians.
You know one thing, you know one guarantee I will give you right now. One assurance. Make we finish this program.
Eh?
Make we finish this program.
If we finish, what you go do?
I just make we finish the program.
If we finish, what you go do?
Now be one assurance.
Make we start from here now. Shebi, you think that you get power? Make we start from here. I even surprised that you never best come on your cap. I see here. Not let me stand up because you know I know we stand up, but don't let me stand up because of you.
Barnabas, good morning. Barnabas, they call us from Kaduna.
Make we finish the show. Me and you. Make we finish the show.
Barnabas from Kaduna, good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Yes. We dey hear you. Ride on.
Happy Salah.
We wish you the same.
Give you the free Salah.
Then they greet you. Answer.
Barnabas. No, they force me to. I know answer.
Yes. Abeg, talk to us, Oga Barnabas.
Okay. I want to thank Victor. I want to thank Victor from Javara. I want to thank Victor from Javara.
Okay.
Because the man makes very, very good and he tells us to make it bigger because Nigeria does not need the truth. That's my contribution.
Thank you very much, Oga Barnabas.
Thank you very much
for your
and Oga Barnabas, he just talk and finish. Say he want thank Oga Victor from Zamfara. And when Oga Victor from Zamfara talk, Oga Victor from Zamfara talk and clear say if we want solve the problem for this country, make we know they talk say anybody na sent or anybody na angel. Make we talk the truth and talk and the way when it be. Just like the way when they always they talk am on top of this show. No need to excuse me.
Wait.
Not the point. If you want to, no they point me with your hand. No they point me with your hand. No, they point me with your hand.
Wait.
No, even point me. No point me. If you want face me and talk, no, they point me.
Wait. Just hold on. Wait. If they talk say make anybody not on the claim say person they be sent and all that.
Or angel. Just like una they always they do. Just like una they always they do.
So what they try to insinuate?
Wetin be wetin they try to insinuate? When people go come paint one person black, paint one person good. Now the problem we dey face today.
So you when they talk that you dey clean?
I no talk say I dey clean. I no ever claim say I dey clean. But I dey always dey talk the truth.
Oh.
And I want you to dey talk the truth.
Person talk true, no they suppose dey clean.
You say wetin?
Person they talk true, no suppose dey clean.
We are all human beings.
As this program
no one is infallible.
As this program
no
stand.
One is infallible.
As this program stands. The only truth,
Nkubi.
Accept the fact that the only truth when they come out of this program, they come from me.
Nkubi.
So not come here, come see yourself.
You dey mess, you dey mess, you know the mess.
Who know the mess?
Thank you very much.
Everybody messes.
Thank you very much.
Don't bring mess illustration here.
Everybody messes.
Everybody messes.
Everybody messes.
Everybody messes. Leave me, now my language.
Now you come here talk nihilistic.
Nihilistic. This one, everybody messes. So now my time, leave me, let me use my time the way I want to use them.
So you will not be telling Nigerians the truth.
What do you mean?
What is the truth?
What is wrong in telling Nigerians everybody messes?
What is wrong in telling Nigerians?
The truth is, Nigerians, as long as Nkubi stands, and as long as Nkubi go the community to represent now on this program, I shall talk nothing but the truth. The truth, not only the truth, now they hear from my mouth.
After you don't lie, other one. After you don't lie, you will.
Where the lie come from?
You say waiting. You know
where the lie come from?
Oga Femi from Osogbo go tell you.
Oga Femi go tell you.
He go tell you. Don't dey record am since. Oga Femi from Osogbo, good morning, sir.
Mind yourself.
Mind yourself too.
Good morning, Oga Femi.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Thank God, see I get through today.
We thank God too, Oga Femi. Barika de Salah.
I wish you the same. Oga Chukwudi.
I dey hear you, Oga Femi.
You know, say since before election, now so you did do. You know,
thank you.
As you did do now, we like them.
Thank you, sir.
Say, anyhow, we go to get opposition.
Thank you very much. You don't hear am.
Oga Femi, I don't understand you again. No, I say you try talk. Say you like as I do.
Oga Kobi. May I tell you something?
Okay, I hear.
Because Chukwudi, you know, say Chukwudi, he always comes to Joro game. See, that day now, he say don't get 45.
you get this.
If they listen to all you counts, those ones now false counts.
Now true, now false in how we know.
Thank you, say no.
What I want to contribute this morning is all the people where they call. Our people, you know, say as our people they talk, say this thing is too slow. Buhari is too slow. This one is too slow. It's too slow. I'm just thinking about people who don't know anything with about government. He go just enter. He go just appoint a minister. He go they appoint this one. People who never know. He go watch now. Say now so then they do government. During the time of Obasanjo, how many months before he appoint a minister? So let's just give him small time. Make he arrange himself well. So because Nigeria is our own. As Oga Chukwudi talk.
As me and Chukwudi talk.
Nigeria is our own now. Make we know hurry. I know say two of you hear Yoruba well. Yoruba said, I can't do loud baby bona. Let's just take this thing easy. Please. I beg all of our calling, our people where they worship. May we give this man, give him a chance.
Thank you.
More time. I beg.
Thank you very much, Oga Femi from Oshogbo. Chukwudi, you hear the proverb about Oga Femi. Can conjure right loud, but Ogbonge. That is, you know what they do it, they hate it to the leak soup where they very smoke. Very hot smoke still coming from him.
Hungry
so that is why
hungry never catch
you go try and make know whether no go burn your
hungry never catch you.
That's why we need to give Oga Muhammad Buhari the time to do it, to strategically appoint who you are appoint as in cabinet.
Use Scotland with the chop eba.
The embassy when they talk, when you take cotton and talk, put that for the soup, put that for your mouth. Whether that soup no go still burn.
You you go do the soup like this. The thing no go too.
Your mouth na aircon.
Which one be aircon?
Your mouth na air condition.
What do you do?
Oh, you don't see that slow pattern.
That illustration no fit work for here. Oga Kenneth.
No time say my illustration no fit work.
You no fit work. Oh yeah, do your.
You don't work finish.
Oga Kenneth from Aba.
Oga Femi talk and he no know what he talk.
We take Oga Kenneth
from Aba. Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Kenneth.
Yeah, God will bless you for our program.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we enjoy and well for you for Aba.
Yes, and they help us, they tell us, maybe also they join you in watching.
Yeah, sure. I will do that. Actually, yes, I will do. Oga Chukwudi.
We hear you.
Yeah, you see, Nigeria problem, just like what my former scholar talk. It's just like as you see all iron way come up for fire, at the end, just like when I decide of a program at the earth. Any way out, as it come down, you wait till it cool. I don't know if so.
Yes.
So, what the happen for Nigeria problem is we have to exercise patience. I know, sir. You know, easy coming back based on from where we they come from. We want time sharp. But anything go last, no they come sharp. That's the Nigeria problem. If you go through all history, you will find out everywhere where they say they build their nation, they get patient and they support the people in their administration. Even now, as we see when they say minister, you see things will happen. And no be now, very soon, everything go over. So many Nigeria hold on. How many years it takes before Nigeria come like before the Nigeria go down like this? It is not to talk of to scatter something easy, but to build them not be small wahala. So like the patience when Nigeria go suppose get be that. Hold on, support this administration. That's just the bottom line.
Oga Kenneth, thank you very much. Chukwudi, hold on and support this administration. When did they? So that administration Anya make you support them. Waiting I try to say, hold on and support this administration. Need to support the administration.
Why you can't speak different language? Join the pidgin.
You go feel understand one because I don't know whether the English way they even talk. Whether you understand the English yourself. Tope is calling us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Tope. Tope, good morning.
Hello, Oga Okubi.
Good morning, Oga Tope.
Hello, Oga Chukwudi.
Oga Tokpe, I always salute. Happy Salah.
Good. Same to you, my brother. Good morning to you all.
And you too.
In fact, I did bad on our program too much.
Thank you very much.
And I thank God, say today, where we say holiday, I day house, they watch on our live from my house now.
Abi, and I get light, Abi.
Light day, light day.
Oh, under the same administration. Let's ride on.
I even wonder whether they keep the light before.
Oh, you don't hear them?
Because the light now can't they enjoy them.
You see them?
Very good. It's okay like that. So we don't see small work of Buhari now. Because we get belief in him. We know that he could do them.
Yes.
So waiting, I want beg all Nigeria to say, make we know they too worry. The one way past administration do, they too worry. That is why we no succeed for their side.
Yes.
And these people don't promise us. And we know, we believe, that is why we voted in Mr. Buhari in, that we do it. And we know he can do it. So let's keep quiet and let's keep calm. I know he will do it.
Yes.
He go do him. I know, I believe him, say he go do him. Because even for our church, we know even might say the man are Muslim. We they pray, say we need him, make him come in. Because we know who he be. He no worry. He no need to worry. Because if you worry now, you choose somebody where be say at the end of the day, now zero will go down to, now we go see criticize him. So now, we no criticize him. He just beginning. We don't see what he past administration won't do for the past 15 years. We know where they land us now. And now, this one are just beginning. Make we they watch and see. I know that good news go come out at the end.
Thank you very much. Oga Tope from Ikorodu. You don't make very important points. Abeg, tell your friends that they continue to watch as they hot. You say you dey house, you dey watch am, but guess what? Anywhere when you dey from 10 to 11, you feel they watch as they hot. Just go on top of the internet, check for us there, you go see us and you go dey watch am. Our people when they for house, we don't carry this week on. We go lock the shop now. When we go, come back on Monday, we'll give you all the things will happen over the weekend. On behalf of myself and Nkubi, we they say happy Salah, Muna bye bye.
Don't on behalf of everything.
Don't on behalf, which one be or don't be on behalf.
Listen to the word of advice.
Which word of advice?
Conju, no, but
conju.
Then they rush to this
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.